Hey everyone, Scott with DEWALT, and we are here at Acme Tools today to take a look at our new 12-inch 60-volt brushless sliding dual bevel miter saw. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. Obviously you have the saw. Charger, we'll charge in anywhere from 12, 20, or 60-volt batteries. 9-amp FLEXVOLT battery. Dust bag, and a dual-fitting dust port to allow it to fit any other dust collection needs. This saw really delivers exceptional performance. You can cut over 255 cuts on a pressure-treated 4x4 or almost 700 cuts on 3.5-inch base. Now how does it do that? Take a look at this motor. Looks a little different than its predecessor. It's no longer a belt-driven unit, it is a direct drive unit. And what that gives is you have less loss of power from that belt by having the motor having a direct drive into the blade. It also features a really cool technology called Cut, Capture, Charge. Now you ask, what is that? That is regenerative braking technology. As the tool slows down, it stores some of that energy and allows to give additional runtime to the unit. And where have you heard that before? Something you'll see in the electric car industry today. Portability is a really great feature of this saw. One of the first things you'll see is this large top handle for ease of carry. Also, the base material extensions here can double as handles. You notice when I pick this saw up how close I get it to my body to carry it around. It comes in at weighing only 54 pounds, so very light and transportable. Accuracy is a really important part of a miter saw, and one of the things that DEWALT has done to help make precise cuts each and every time is install CUTLINE. What is CUTLINE? It's an LED light that casts a shadow over the blade to make sure that you know when positioning that blade where that blade's going to land each and every time. Miter system has a nice cam lock override if you're going to cut any angles outside of your traditional detents. And you'll also notice a high-vis bevel backplate. We know accuracy is a really big deal, but so is cut capacity. And with this tall back fence design, you can cut base up to 6.5 inches, or if you nest crown, up to 6.5 inches. Big piece of crown. Horizontal cut capacity, up to 12 3/16. When you're making bevel cuts, you want to make it really easy to do so. So we did. You have a large handle here to release, pull this pin and lock it, and now you can go 45 degrees left to right, very simply. We talked about cutting crown earlier, and you know when you're cutting crown, you got a lot of funky angles. What we did is we put in built-in miter stops at the most common angles for cutting crown when you nest it, 33.86 and 22.5. That's gonna help you make accurate cuts each time. Hey, thanks for spending a couple minutes here to take a look at the new 12-inch sliding dual bevel miter saw. Hope you enjoyed it, and remember, you can purchase a saw at any of our 10 retail branch locations or on acmetools.com. And remember, do your best work.